but they will pop on there. The grip is on there, and honestly, this side you probably don't need to even lock down. I'm going to, obviously, but because of the knurling that's on this bar, it's really tight over here. You can see there, feels really nice. And already this is so much more comfortable already, guys. I'm so pumped about this. This feels so comfortable. It's really easy to push. It's not difficult. So I haven't played with this just yet. I'm gonna wait until I get some seat time, but we can pull this down. You can adjust it depending on your preference. Move it closer. And actually, this is a little loose in here, guys. I don't know if that's by design, but it is just a little loose. I might have to look at that. But